Time to go. Hey friends, time for an unboxing. We've got Rick's prop repair here. Let's open it up and see what we got. Oh yeah, that's so fun to open a knife. Do it again. Oh yeah. I got my E-prop here, 125 centimeter. This is a brand new E-prop, very nice. Had this up at Bad Apples. Nice and smooth. It's 125 centimeter 268 reduction. One, you can get chips, foot dragging in the water too. So I was being very careful not to go deep and not to get any of the gunk that's in the water splashing up on that. This is the cover that I sent the prop to Rick in, and we have two props. We've got my foot dragon prop is an E-prop. It's been around for years and years, and Rick had put a wrap on it. I think that's it there. And then we've got the Viterazzi fast accelerator prop, and it's a 130 prop, spinning fast. Nice design there. Those are my wife's prop covers there. All right, let's open it up and take a look at it. Looks like it's all just paper, masking tape. So I had him wrap it. There's three things that I love about wrapping: affordability and endurance. It'll help keep your, oh yeah, look at that. I had him do it in all yellow. So affordability is great. Rather than buying a new prop, you can wrap this up. He balances it quite nice. And that one looks like the Viterazzi accelerator. 130 and 125 prop. Yeah, that's the accelerator there. That's the fast prop right there. And aesthetics, I love the look of that. It's gonna be just yellow. And let's look at this one. This one should be our, yeah, this E-prop right there. You can see E-prop design. Let me pull this paper off here. This one's been around for years, so I've had this one quite nicely. Look at that. Cleaned up. That's E-prop. So there we go. We've got our 130 268 reduction. There's the E-prop there. E-prop there. These are my foot dragging ones. So very strong, very durable, very nice. And then this one spins up fast. You can see the difference here. That is the 125 E-prop, and this is the 130 right there. Okay friends, thanks for watching this unboxing of Rick's prop repair. Thank you, Ricky Simmons. It is time to go. Love, laugh, live. Woo! Time to go. Love, laugh, live.